Hi, this is Mrs. Swigert, and today we're talking about adding integers. Okay, this is lesson 2.2. Now our goals are to state the coordinates of a point on a number line and to graph integers on a number line and add and subtract integers. Now you need to understand the rules first. When the signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. It's basically simple. Make sure you get that down in your notes. That's very important. An example would be -2 plus -4 equals -6. Notice 2 plus 4 is 6, and we kept the sign. Okay? Now, when the signs are different, we have to subtract and use the sign of the larger. An example of that would be -2 plus 4. Well, one's positive, one's negative. Subtract, you get 2. And the larger number is a positive 4. So, let's look at the next. Okay, let's look at the number line. Okay, first off, we need to decide, are the signs the same or different? Well, they're different, so we subtract and take the sign of the larger. The signs are the same or different? They're the same here, so we put them together. We add and keep the sign. Okay, next problem. Are the signs same or different? They're different, so you subtract and take the sign of the larger. Pretty simple. Okay, here's one to work yourself. I'm going to pause. You pick your answer. Okay, you've had plenty of time to get your answer. One's negative, one's positive. Signs are different, so subtract and take the sign of the larger. You should have got 2. Do this one quickly. Got your answer? Your answer should be 1 because both of the signs are the same. And you keep the sign. Careful you don't pick 4. Okay, now there's another property while we're here we're going to talk about. It's the additive inverse, or opposites. It's when two numbers add together to equal 0. And when you have negatives, a negative and a positive add to 0. It's also a way to get rid of them, and we use that whenever later in the semester, in the quarter. Okay? So we use the additive inverse for subtraction problems. We'll talk about that tomorrow. Okay? Here is a problem with a variable. It still works the same. One's positive, one's negative, so we subtract and take the sign of the larger because we have different signs. So our answer would be 9B. The B just tags along. Okay? That's it for today. Have fun. We'll see you tomorrow.